Hello, New Hope Community Church. Y'all recognize me? Y'all don't recognize me. It's Gabe, your intern. Look, I'm here to talk to you guys about this Christmas dinner we got going on. It is December 15th at 6 p.m. Don't be coming here at Filipino time, showing up at 9 o'clock getting mad at me because we ain't got no food left. Look, I'm telling you now, it's 6 o'clock. Come here to New Hope at 6 o'clock December 15th. We're going to have a great time. We're going to have prayer early. Then afterwards, we're going to eat. We're going to fellowship. It's going to be a great time. So I hope to see you there, 6 p.m. December 15th. All right? All right.